Welcome to the US Classic Muscle Cars. Please watch the next video. Subscribe to.
Please enjoy the next video and subscribe.
Okay, this is my 370C Nismo 2019. Got 20s on it, low profiles on it. Got 10 and a half inches in the front, 11 in the back. 11 in the back. The interior, it came like that. It's a 2019 car.
Let me get this for a moment. And then this is really sweet, and it looks like you have your car on bags.
Yes, it's in bags. Yeah, we did it. I have the car only like for 3 weeks,
Really?
so I did all this work in 3 weeks on it. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All in 3 weeks?
Yes, all 3 weeks. Yeah.
Wow. Are you a mechanic?
Somehow. Yeah. Yeah. Don't no, I don't get scared of it. You know.
Right. That is so cool. That is so cool. All right. So you got this. It's like a little grasshopper, but it's a beast, right?
Yeah. I got like right now. Got 350 horsepower. It came like with 350, and then I put the air intake, so now like 375.
Okay. Wow.
Like 270 in the back.
Right. Now tell me about this exhaust.
It came like that actually, you know, because like I say, the Nismo is the top of the line, the 370Cs. You know, it took me 3 months to find the car.
Oh, did it? Really?
Yeah.
Really? Wow. Cool. So the purpose of the bags is to get ground effects.
Yeah, to get ground effects, like, you know, like it lose better when it's low, you know, and then it's for me it's a better ride, you know.
Right. When you bought it, did it have bags on it?
No. I did all the bags. Wow. I put the rims. I did some work in the engine. So yeah, pretty much, I destroyed the car in 3 weeks and put it back together.
Wow. That's a lot of work. A lot of knowledge.
Yeah.
And then let's take a look at the interior for a second.
Interior? You want me to open this door right here then?
Sure.
Let me take those papers out of here.
All right. So what do we have going in here?
It's all, like I said, this is the way they came in the car, you know? Like the interior is beautiful. There's seats came out with them.
Sure.
Everything, you know.
Now I see a bottle back there. That is.
Oh no, that's a bottle for the air suspension.
Gotcha. Of course.
So yeah.
That is so cool. And then you want to show the engine now?
Yeah, sure. I will show the engine. So yeah, we put the air intakes on it. Right. I had to take the whole front end. It was like 3.5 hour job.
Yeah.
And then I just take all the parts and paint it in red. You know.
So tell the viewers what this product name is.
That's the Steelers air intake.
Okay.
So yeah.
You know what? So you were telling the horsepower is.
Right now, yeah, it came with 350, and then right now I got like 375 on it because the air intake on it.
That is so cool. Now can you see a demonstration on the airbags?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so now I'm gonna lift the car up. So that's the way I drive it. You can go all the way up and then go all the way down. And let's say in Chicago got a lot of potholes, so I can go even upper. You know.
How much up and down inches do you have?
Probably about 8 inches.
Wow.
All the way from the ground to 8 inches on top.
That is so sweet. Can I have you lower the car one more time?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for watching.
Hi, my name is Danny. This is my wife Yvette. This is Solo Riders from Chicago here. Getting introduced with US Classic Muscle Cars. We've been around for almost 30 years now. Looking forward to, having everyone enjoy the next video.
Please watch our next video. Thank you.